Good morning, guys. Oh, good morning, Brenda.
Hello.
How you going?
I'm good.
We're down King Street this morning. We're doing a feature, double feature actually. Got Ben and Nicole here too. Morning, bro. What's wrong? Already broken?
Nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to reconnect something.
Just trying to turn the boost up. This is Wen. Hi, Wen. All polishing it. Yeah, at least they've got a fucking cage on the glass. It looks crap. Oh, at least that side looks alright. Do you want to set up the walkies? I will set up the gimbal. It's good because we're still actually too early, so we probably need another 15 minutes-ish before the sun comes out. Enough. Go, Wen, go. Go. For the vlog. Oh, oh, we should just start it like this. You're running from the cops. Oh, we just realised we left the cars on.
I did bring something that's like, not sure if it's legal to have it here or not.
What's that?
Have you got a gun?
We're gonna head to Stirling Freeway now, do some rolling shots. I'm busy. I can't vlog. Do you reckon they'll unlock it for us?
So we can make our way up.
Busted.
Filming in public holidays.
I know, right? Do you reckon he can see me?
Yeah, I can see a camera. There's a red and pink building up the road that we can take photos at. He said we can go there as long as we don't f around.
Haha, I'm hidden. Oh, crib check. Oh,
Check the belt.
oh shit.
Is that Louis Vuitton?
We're done for today.
We're done.
Almost done.
Now I gotta go fix your car.
So we got all the rolling shots and static shots. I just got to get some in-car stuff, get him to talk about the car a little bit more because it's actually got some pretty cool stuff in it. And then we jump into my Silvia, eh, Brendo?
Yeah, mother.
Oh, let's go for a roll in this bad boy. Bro, I even get to see where we're going in the back seat. This is nice though. I feel regal as f***. 1Q's even got a bottle of Henny for me. I mean, wait, it's turkey. It's only turkey.
White boy.
Oh. So this VIP'd out, is that the brand of this thing?
Yeah, off the table itself.
Yeah. So what year is this?
This is 05, believe it or not.
Oh, sh**.
Yeah.
With the body kit, it looks way more recent though.
Yeah, some guy said it was 2020 something. I was like, yeah,
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah, you wouldn't look at this and think it's that old.
No, especially with like with this in it as well.
Yeah. So what's that? Is that custom like Android Play or?
It's like an aftermarket head unit.
Yeah. So do you have horsepower figures of this?
Not really, it's just all factory. I think it's like 300 something.
Oh yeah. And it's a 4.3.
4.3.
Like it sounds like it's big capacity, eh?
Yeah. It's nice and lumpy. Not too loud.
Nah.
It's just loud enough where you can hear it. It's quite nice and people notice it.
And even in the car, it sounds really good.
Yeah, and it's not drony like.
No. So for the vlog, what kit's on this?
Black Pearl complete from Japan.
Black Pearl.
Yeah.
That was like $6 grand, eh?
Yeah, it was like a $6 grand.
Damn, boy.
It was like the first one in Australia as well.
Oh.
And it's there's only 2 of the Black Pearl kits in Australia. This is the first one.
What wheels are they running on though?
They're on Hartridge Audens.
Audens.
Yeah, 19s by 10s to the front, 19s by 11s in the rear. Big boy.
19 by 11. When it's like aired out, the rear just looks so good, eh?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Look at this Ripper. This is the weapon.
Oh, I didn't even. How did I miss this?
Vertex steering wheel.
Oh no shit. What's this? 1.3? 1.5?
1.5.
Oh, the big block.
Big block. Well, you know, can't flex every day, you know.
Nah, yeah, you gotta be humble, eh? Stay humble.
Stay humble.
So we just got chased. We both just got chased by police on the way back. He's stressing, eh?
Jumping, bro.
Stressing.
Like in Australia, defects are the worst things, bro. You don't understand. Like,
We're taking out this rig though. Ooh. Someone would think you like Lexuses or something. We had emergency wicker. Where are they? Oh, they were right here. They were right here. Damn it. Damn it, we missed it! Hey guys, over the last two nights, we've started stripping out the Silvia because instead of getting the car running, we've decided to push on and try and get the paint ready. We've got some stuff planned that I wanted my car ready to be a part of because it's pretty big, but I haven't really had time to get the car finished because I'm still waiting on some oil line stuff. That's been taking a while, so instead we've decided to strip the 180. We're going to try and get it ready for paint. Huh? So as you can tell, Hayden, over the last, what, 2 days?
Yeah, I've stripped it.
Started stripping it.
Mind the
We don't actually have much left to do except the engine bay. We strip all this. Oh my god, Jared's doing stunning. Jared, what are you doing?
LS subframe into my Silvia mother.
Why's that?
Why's that? Because V8 things. Because V8 is LS is the God's motor.
I thought you were putting this in so you...
Do you kiss your mother with that mouth?
what do you mean?
Yeah, I'll kiss your mum with this
No,
mouth
you
too.
don't. My mum wouldn't even kiss you with you saying LSs of the world.
I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. I've got some bad news for you. You better
You're
start
not
calling
sorry.
me daddy
You're not sorry. I'm not calling you anything.
because I birthed you, bud.
No, you didn't.
I thought you were putting this in so you could roll it to wide open so you could get the tube frame
Yes. So
on.
that's the SR20 subframe.
Yeah, so you're
This is
gonna...
the LS one.
Do you have to swap much over?
Just the subframe.
Oh, easy!
But Mark was like, while you're here, man, cut it. Put 52 mil in it.
52 mil, that's pretty specific.
That's 2 inches, my butt.
Are you only going 52 mil?
That's all you've got, mate.
Go forward, mate.
I'm gonna call it the Hayden extension.
I'm going
Just 2
60.
inches.
I'm going 60, mate. I'm still bigger than you.
You're going 60.
Oh,
What are you compensating for? What are you compensating for?
Nothing. What are you compensating for? Your big balls? They're massive. They're like this big.
Isn't that a compliment?
You should say yes.
No, it's not.
Anyway, I'm going to tuck into the engine bay because that's all we've got.
Yes, I'm getting the check.
That's old.
Like it's a good.
It's got a wide open fab.
Merch plug. We have koozies available now.
How much?
$5. Koozies. Get your koozie.
Like my dad?
Like and subscribe.
You gotta lift the control arm. Sort of come this way.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Che? This is the LS subframe. This is going to be like push rods, ram, and it's about to sit on its own wheels for the first time in many months. You guys going to hold it? Yeah! Yeah, buddy! We take it down to wide open fab. Put some fucking bars on the front of this thing. It's tight. It's tight.
All right, sweet, done.